Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download quality of audiobook files when you're downloading on Audible so that it takes much less file size on your device and you can download even more titles from Audible onto your iPhone or Android device. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. So let's get into it. I'm on the Audible iPhone app and it is the exact same on Android, but go down to the bottom right that says Profile and then up to the top right, there's a gear icon. Press that. And under App Settings, the first option says Data and Storage. Click in there. And then the first option is Download Quality, and it's currently set to High Download. So any audiobooks or podcasts or sleep tracks that we download, the audio is going to be the highest quality. It'll be the best file type and the best quality, but it will take up lots of space on your device. And if you're downloading hundreds and hundreds of tracks, then that can take up a lot of space on your device. However, if you switch to standard by pressing that tick box right there, then any files that you download from here will be much less in file size, but the quality will decrease slightly as well. The benefits of this is that you can download many more files onto your device than you could with high quality. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.